Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best protective cases on the market. The Pelican 1660 case with foam. Often regarded as the best Pelican 472 PWC DW3300 Blk Coy alternative. If you're someone who needs a durable, watertight, and crush-proof case, whether for photography gear, electronics, or sensitive equipment, this case might just be exactly what you're looking for. The Pelican 1660 is a powerhouse when it comes to protection. It boasts a tough exterior made from high-impact polymer, designed to withstand extreme conditions and heavy impacts. It's completely watertight, thanks to a precision tongue and groove seal combined with a polymer O-ring. So if you're caught in the rain or need to protect your gear from water exposure, rest assured this case keeps moisture out. One standout feature is the automatic pressure equalization valve. This clever valve lets air pressure equalize inside the case without letting any water in. This means when you're traveling through varying altitudes or temperature changes, your case won't pop open or be difficult to open due to pressure differences. It's a simple feature that really shows how much thought Pelican puts into their cases. The interior is fully customizable with Pelican's Pick-and-Pluck foam. This foam allows you to create a perfect fit for your equipment by pulling out foam cubes to shape a snug and secure interior. It's ideal if you're transporting cameras, drones, or any other delicate gear that needs extra cushioning. The foam also supports extreme temperatures, ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit up to 210 degrees Fahrenheit, so you're covered no matter where your adventures take you. Security is another critical factor, and Pelican doesn't disappoint. The case comes with stainless steel reinforced padlock protectors, allowing you to safely lock your case and keep your valuables secure. When it comes to size, the Pelican 1660 is a large case, offering interior dimensions of 28.20 inches by 19.66 inches by 17.63 inches. This gives you over 5.6 cubic feet of space, plenty of room for bulky or multiple items. The exterior measures just over 31 by 23 by 19 inches, making it sizable but still portable enough to handle. Despite its toughness, the case weighs about 42 pounds with the foam installed. It's definitely built for protection rather than ultra-light travel, so keep that in mind depending on your needs. One more thing to note is Pelican's guarantee. They promise that if you break it, they will replace it. That's a strong confidence booster in the quality of their product and a reassurance that this case is built to last. Overall, the Pelican 1660 case with foam is perfect for professionals and enthusiasts alike who demand rugged protection for their gear in harsh environments. It's a bit of an investment, but with the combination of watertight design, pressure equalization, customizable foam, and lockable security, it delivers excellent value for those who need durable, reliable protection. If you're interested in a case that can handle tough conditions while keeping your equipment safe and sound, the Pelican 1660 might just be your best bet. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.